Welcome to this tutorial on how to enable research invitations on LinkedIn. In today's digital landscape, LinkedIn is a powerful tool for networking and professional development. One of its lesser-known features is the ability to receive research invitations, which can be incredibly valuable for those looking to participate in studies or surveys related to their field. Let's dive into how you can enable this feature on your LinkedIn account. First, open the LinkedIn app on your mobile device. Once you're logged in, you'll see a variety of options and features at your fingertips. To access your settings, click on the Me icon located at the top left corner of your screen. This will take you to your profile page, where you can manage various aspects of your LinkedIn experience. From your profile page, scroll down and select Settings. This is where you can customize everything from your account preferences to your data privacy options. Clicking on Settings will open a new menu with several choices. Now, navigate to Data Privacy. This section allows you to control how your data is used and shared on LinkedIn. It's an important part of maintaining your online presence and ensuring that you're comfortable with how your information is utilized. Within the Data Privacy menu, look for Research Invites. This is where you can manage whether or not you receive invitations to participate in research studies. These studies can range from surveys about industry trends to more in-depth analyses of professional behaviors. To enable research invitations, simply toggle the switch next to this option. Once it's turned on, you'll start receiving notifications about relevant research opportunities. This can be a great way to contribute to the advancement of your field, while also gaining insights into emerging trends and practices. By enabling research invitations, you're not only opening yourself up to new learning opportunities, but also contributing to the broader professional community. Whether you're a seasoned expert or just starting out, participating in research can be a rewarding experience that enhances your career and expands your network. That's it. With these simple steps, you can start receiving research invitations on LinkedIn and become an active participant in shaping the future of your industry. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful in enhancing your LinkedIn experience.